wanna feel these bullets. Yeah, we stick 'em up either way, no debate, this shit getting took. Bitch, I can read between the lines, but ho, I don't play by the book. And how the fuck you screaming slime, little bitch, let's get some understood. If you ain't never caught a body, robbed a nigga from your hood. If you ain't never sent no shots, it's safe to say, little bitch, you pussy.
Niggas wanna sneak this, can't play defense, that's what got Big D here. Hop out with like 3 bleeds. Me and bro on feet, watch how we leavin'.
Talking bodies undefeated, don't write no statements or no grievance. Fuck that case, little bitch, I beat it. I spin the block and then repeat it.
I know they mad about Lenin, but that shit there in the past. Catch you lacking on that one way, well, I smooth, we on your ass. Slip our day up in the north, we make Lil Mike might eat the grass. Did the dash up on the Jakes in the Stolo during the crash.
Hey, you already know we rip that hot shit. You already know that boy Fredo in the cut with me. All the gang, free bro. You know what it is. Free the guys. OTM no legging. DMG shit, bitch. Bitch, I get it, gangsta mode, don't play with me, bitch, it get super wicked. Hit 900 up, yeah, them niggas, they got stupid glizzes. Money Mari, they up in the back, get hit from groupie bitches. When I shoot, I never miss, I hit your ass, then Cupid with me.
DMG, that murder gang, I know the guy gon' blow for me. Quick to hop out with the Drake, but known to work that 23. Front of 9, back to the 11, the ops know we be slanging heat. Out the window with that glizzy, knock this fat ass off his feet.
Niggas know we ain't capping, B. Bitch, you can go and ask Lil B. Niggas might as well grab they cleats. 4 flats when I hit they street. Keep your gun, I feel like JB. Beat her back, I feel like Take Keith. Cock it back and then I unleash. Bust a nut, that's if she say ski. Bitch, you know I'm busting nuts on your face, bitch. Quit playing.